What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do in the case that you are on your school, on a friend's house, on your family house, and the computer is really slow. I'm gonna share with you a simple 1-minute optimization routine that can make your computer fast and really fast. Click on the initialize panel, okay, and now hit the like button on this video. Then into the search field we're gonna click and type PAR, P-A-R, just like this, okay? And we're gonna be able to find this option right here, adjust the appearance and performance. Click on OK. You're gonna be able to see this panel. Instead of this one, use adjust for best performance. You can keep this option marked, and all we have to do is click on apply. Windows gonna deactivate every single animation, every single effect, every single option that is really changing how your computer work. Then go to OK, and your computer gonna be faster and really faster, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.